In this video, we'll show you how to add a free music bot to Discord step by step. In this case, we'll be using Flavibot. The first thing we need to do is open Discord and go to the server where we want to install the bot. Before continuing, make sure you're the server owner, or that you have permission to manage the server, as we'll need authorization to add new applications. Next, we'll search for Flavibot and go to its official website. Once we're there, we'll see an option to add or invite the bot to our Discord server. Click on this option, and Discord will automatically open. Here, we'll need to select the server where we want to install Flavibot. After that, a screen will appear, showing all the permissions the bot needs to work correctly. It's a good idea to review these permissions before continuing. Once everything is ready, click Authorize and complete any verification that appears on the screen. Once the process is complete, we'll return to our Discord server, where we should see Flavibot listed as one of the server members. Now, we'll join one of our voice channels. Once we're connected, we can use Flavibot's commands from any compatible text channel. To see all the available options, simply type / in the chat and look for the Flavibot commands. From here, you'll be able to see the different features offered by the bot. For example, we can use the appropriate command to play music, search for a song, or enter a supported link. Flavibot will automatically join our voice channel and start playing the content. Using its different commands, we can also pause the music, resume playback, skip to the next song, check the playback queue, or stop the music completely, depending on the features available in the version we're using. We can also add multiple songs to create a queue and let Flavibot play them automatically, one after another. This can be especially useful when using Discord to play games, talk with friends, or simply listen to music while you're online. If Flavibot isn't playing music, make sure the bot has permission to connect to the voice channel, speak, and use commands within the server, and that's it. As you can see, adding Flavibot to Discord and using it as a music bot is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.